Welcome back to the garage. This week we're going to get started on the Lincoln. We'll start the teardown process. Who knows how far we'll get. Anyway, I'm Marty and this is Kitty Litter Garage. I know the last time I said I was going to take the cab off the frame, but due to some unfortunate technical issues like video not recording, sound not recording, it just didn't get caught. So right here behind all these plotters is the cab and the hood, and on the other side of the shop is the ladder frame. Now I know it's a bad dad joke, but it is a ladder frame. Anyway, let's get started on the Lincoln. At least this time I got a vehicle that runs, so we don't have to push it. And I plan on keeping it that way during the build, so I know I didn't break anything. Since I haven't shown you guys around this car, you can see it's really good shape. It's only got 122,000 miles, and whoever had it took pretty damn good care of it. This will be a perfect platform for what I have planned. Well, let's see what we got going here. I did pick up a manual for this so I can know how to tear it down with limited amount of breakage, because either I'm going to reuse it or at least attempt to sell it, recoup some of my cost. I saved that grill as a wall hanger. Yay. Oh. Why can't they do this in modern cars? My 2017 Mustang, you have to take off the front bumper to replace the light bulbs. Just not cool. Thought I'd show you real quick how to remove these headlights. There's these little metal tabs that are right here and right over there. They just pull up and out, and then the whole headlight will fall forward. Why they can't do that today, I don't know. I know most cars now you have to take the front bumpers off to get the damn headlights out. Early hid headlights. Wonder if there's a way I can use those. Okay, we've got that. That's riveted. So let's pop that out. Front bumper in the pile. Fender number 2. Okay, we got the nose off this thing. That was actually a bit easier than I expected. Took a little bit longer, but it's looking good. Got that thing. Okay. Next, let's get that off. Oh, yeah. All right, last door. Where's my Mortske pry bar? Let me take you around the Lincoln so you can see what we've accomplished. Kind of looks like one of those 90s Jeep Cherokees that people take the doors off and put swampers on and go mudding. All we need is a roll cage and I would be set. Anyway, you can see we got the back seat all out. A lot of the extra trim and stuff is still here. We got a AC unit behind this panel. That means I'm gonna have to go get the AC discharged. And we got the amp and subwoofer on there. I think this will be able to go behind the seat in the truck when we're done. Lots of extra wiring. All the airbags, all the other sensors. This will be fun to take out. Here you got a pretty good view of the 32 valve 4.6 liter Ford engine. It's the main reason I chose to use an Aviator over an Explorer or a Crown Vic, was to get a little extra HP in my pickup. I've had a really good time tearing into this project, and I can't wait to strip it down even further. One thing that I could use your assistance on is coming up with a name for this project. Lincoln Aviator F100 truck, something that combines these together that's fun, interesting, and unique. So if you could place your suggestions in the comments below, the ones that I like the best, I will send out a Kitty Litter Garage sticker to you. Well, that's all for this time. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, comment below, and we'll see you next time. I am Marty, and this is Kitty Litter Garage. Let's build something awesome.